Hey guys, so I saw Warrior release this table saw, and it's not really a table saw, it's a bench saw. So I thought I needed to take a look at it. Kind of a normal capacity for this type of saw. 57342. Saw blade sold separately. Manual. Supposed view diagram. Parts list. Now the parts list is important. Harbor Freight usually doesn't sell replacement parts, but it does give the bolt sizes. So if you would lose a bolt, this is a reference for that. And maybe if you had to take it apart, this would be important. Well, this saw's been returned. First off, there's a broken piece down in it, and there's marks here. Now, I looked at that, and that looks sealed, but in retrospect, I think it's been sealed twice. That isn't going to break off in shipping. That's probably why it was returned. This has marks all over it, like it's been used. And I have an empty bag. And the bottom is supposed to be where this goes. But that's broke off. The second thing that's damaged is the housing on this dust collection.